Hi guys, today we talk about Vivo X100 Pro. It's launched on November 2023. The dimensions of Vivo X100 Pro: height 6.46 inches, width 2.96 inches, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight is 221 grams, and the build is front and back glass and aluminium frame. The display of Vivo X100 Pro, it comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.78 inches with 90.2% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 1.5K and the refresh rate is 120Hz with 3000 nits peak of brightness. The protection of Vivo X100 is covering Gorilla Glass. The platform of Vivo X100 is comes with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 9300 and the CPU is octa-core Cortex X4 with a Motorola G720 GPU. The memory of Vivo X100, it comes with 12 and 16 gigs of RAM, 256, 512 and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card support in this mobile. The camera of Vivo X100, it comes with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 MP wide, 50 MP ultra wide and 50 MP periscope telephoto with 4.3x optical zoom, and it's record 8K 30fps video. The selfie camera of Vivo X100, it comes with 32 MP selfie camera and it's record 4K 30fps video. The battery backup of Vivo X100 Pro, it has 5400 mAh battery. The charging is 100 watt wired and wireless charging 50 watt wireless, and it's for 10 watt reverse wireless and wired charging. The common and the feature of Vivo X100 Pro, it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speaker, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.0 and IP68 water and dust resistant. The price of Vivo X100 Pro is $799.